you not be distracted by.
I mean. I told you that it was coming on.
Oh, Mante. Me no cry. Me fall so. I mean, also sorry.
The man who kasa.
One name so about.
It doesn't matter. Man who
kasa. And then America is it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
Oh man, my feel too much. Welcome. I'm saying no, my buy. What's that? Me banner to say. Me na my house so sa.
Would it be a buy? Be this.
Oh, you be doing ko. You be doing. Oh, baby, ako kama. Yes, and for 75 to 80%, I know more predicted no. And I tell you,
Papa, no, me cry me cassette. The friends say Musa Danko. Minim maybe on to no say. Oh, yeah, Bibia, because Kuku, no, Bibia, or she forms I was
someone because we share a year from Omo Premier a year NDC. The other buyer at Tifaso, it could be a chobete mutante because of Secretary and Yamato Tono and the man is a sign. But the general one and Rabbi election and the turnout, oh man, it was so low and very bad. Very bad.
And I what tribute you to fasting almost more.
It's a normal campaign for the brain and no more Casino, and more attribute to fasting now, a cost because the brain fasting, pepi.
Now research and I can't share any Baba fasting on job. Well, young cospos you will come up breeding. Your 5 weeks of fuel, so did dinner moon years, no. What can say be pigeon and kind, you know, mom piper, fire, a bureau my good for MMB.
On voit TV say
let me come because I watch me mama baby the way man say was me can be kakra
that be my sports who now say
sports if we are
the o dey anytime sorry
osa show say
for free me fan so na me nye show buy what they na be good food that MTN na moses MTN apa no so na kwambia so nei yengina ye make sure say we phone so na yakosem say no sim no sim ye isim no na say ye use to MTN 4K wanna pay the sports page one bro live on Adom 106.3 Pablo Ama birthday with a Dortmund and the sports team ni na ke wona dey ba Alex Kwabena Stone ya band dey apa time tukuma kura Kegyiwa na gasane Eric Asiedu Boadi ya ba say dey fi the pink ladies cup e koso will be mine so you we moto mu a me patron esa e to ekoso ne bomb ntina man for say ye Black Queens en one kan ye Black Queens ye wo ye Black Queens are you safe me dey betu gasa Black Queens is safe ni ade Black Queens en no bomb second match of pink ladies cup ni mu ete Russia football Russia kan nine Russia to me ante Ghana first game we need 4 and the second game we yet me we need 42 games 4 and ya share in both games I 8 goals near there na changes kakra coach Kim last year no pay off farmer my ready to be more thing enya 3 maximum points in that particular game now after the game Kim last then some kakra to great chemu say game won say Black Queens are bueno this so babe so Black Queens won so about beautiful game say be da and was so Russia for more than ball my ball mo also is ultimate chin no 9 why there what ball my na ba so piao.
We trust our girls so much, and we know that we're just getting better for every game, for every camp, for every day we are together, for every meeting, for every training. We're just getting better and better. And to win today, I'm super happy that we won today, but I mean, in the way we won also with 4-0, and it was deserved 4-0. It's not 4 lucky goals. It's in the way we played it. It's amazing. It's the best game I ever seen this team play. I mean, if Russia are, don't know, 20, 28, something like that in the FIFA ranking, so that means that they are better. If you're looking at the FIFA ranking than all of the other teams that plays in Africa, and we won with 4-0 today, so it means that, I mean, the high potential in this group it's top. It shows that we have the quality to go all the way and beat all of the teams in Africa. It's not going to be easy, so it's
and some came last the two dredge them will say the Mariana chain and run it there. No one will say, well, my ready pass off con a bit of what you did. And only the fee a man or by the one some air by a pink lady scalp on us here. Your last game, I fear that against Tanzania and I second Bias to me. AJ Crew is one of the above fear and be beat me. Ya can say you copy of the senior national soccer team, the Black Stars of Ghana. About your account to number 99 days more to the World Cup and Ibraba. Ghana bet me a quaquajinity as I say, Tim Quajedi, indeed, Yaquajedia Bania Dia. Nada de Bebrena can say, Dear never cost Ghana a World Cup now. Honorable Sports Minister Rakofi Adams, none other be Pimfia. Now, Sansa Yaman and Koda was so with himself Ghana Bequia de Pa. Or did up your queen could diagree, Yaquia Diabapa, or see you will do well, or GDT.
So the team is not bad. But what we need, is for me also a team and not individual, skillful players, but a team.
A team.
Now I'm convinced we will do well. Are reasonable to be able to function in terms of finances. Any other opportunity, I will say, for them to train. It is the responsibility of the technical team to also put their heads together to make sure say players or the best of a team. And we are spending a little more in terms of allowance for additional staff to support the head coach in the decision making prior to going for the tournament and also during the training. So
Honorable Kofi Adams, Sports and Recreation Minister in Sabano. Wamanaso na one ABY Casanomai. Honorable say World Cup, you take advantage into the police for you're the bloggers beko, you're the creative arts for beko. Just say, baby, I can't crack, you be a crack beko.
Man, me because on their budget.
On your budget.
Or say yes, solicited for corporate support.
Or didn't you about the injured dominant?
Or see you could see the police force, I could see crowd control.
Hey,
you could see the Bassani World Cup. We say a big tournament to qua. No one said, please for this bomb. Bloggers and phones so because of their numbers and all. No, Yama Ghana, no more brogo. Not faces on about the PM was a creative art for you. Creative art.
Honestly, it's here.
Honorable Minister,
a learning process for us. This World Cup will return and be the same. We want to make sure say yen department, yen unit bia whether it is the security of the game ombebano omokwa kusunya bibi edia back room ha omo de bechere enyanum say no say kotokone has kobo game. This is how we have to handle it. This is how we should do it. This is how we should do it. It's opportunity for you to see it feel on the ground. So me masheda, if my fundraising works very well, I have a certain number of police persons. Also, then the emergency response team, so 1 or 2 be also then of course the creative arts free and bloggers and then the rest, because an opportunity for them also to build a base, because Yohana ISO speed and yeah following or the Nadia or yeah. So yes, so yeah or more hanka crowd mukra 50,000, 100,000 followers, 1 million, 1.2 million followers. Yeah, the one now almost out of report now they get a few more followers to add that. We are also building a certain base for our person.
Way the Honorable Kofi Adams, Sports and Recreation Minister, the two chatty. You better answer me na yako. So let's say for corporate support. Name one at the so be able to me the police for kakra, bloggers kakra, it's a job for kakra, bibia kakra. You could see there, you could take advantage of the World Cup about and the sports minister near be why Casa the two dra. Now you can say 17 for catch and 17 for Niabre. Say in May, on met Mako Jomudi or Morocco, and we are 17 Afcono. Now Yadika, who dear. I would say no, I want some city at the airport and at the airbar. Like kissing your former coach, Jimana 17 for no say. So what tournament everybody May? Now, red Tamwa, Manti share campaign and sending preparation. Hey, too much. I want to do. I do see about tournament, no more pikiashi. Now, if you're mobile from a dream.
They've moved to camp very early, but then again, we have to look at the day or the time that the first game is being played. We should ask ourselves if they've moved too early to camp, because remember, you are developing, you are building a momentum to a competition. I think they've gone to camp too early, so my fear will be the time that the competition is being they've hit their limit, limit already, and then they will be descending during the competition. So that's the part that I'm a bit worried. But apart from that, they've prepared very well, like this.
Way like Kingston, former coach Adom under 17, and then Uganda no didn't increase Black Stars, what didn't increase open. Para Samuel Kaino. Nyame ba Otia Kenton, yes, coach, and technical director of the Ghana Football Association, and coaching they were didn't increase whom we didn't in my pa. The lie Kaino, you didn't drink 1% say, coach, no crabby Musa.
I had to say, Obeshi League, yes, yeah. It's a way of plan. You are a friend of periodization. We share things, you know, what you say, the bear, the way bear, physical fitness, the way bear technical, the psychological, you know, the tarso. It will be as you said, sir. It is a wambra, yeah, lie, what you said, the Uganda, or the season, and I, dear, Oguzuafe, and what you said, the SR. It is what you be there now to Bango Casa. You know, and say, you know, and she said, as I say, now, the pan will do the peak. And I say, oh, yeah, do the peak. Now, if you won't do the peaking way and if you are competition, it will be a PS, you know, but may sure say, Dr. Ogun Mata, what I had the plan in the media, I would say, if you are a bit doing time, April, or and Korana, yeah, do a peak, I would never call competition. You will remember, a bit below no more shower peaking, and I say, oh, my year, oh, peak, but I don't think it's a periodization in our can. Ogun ever to me up and so obey now. So no nan kura na duro mu piki da the embassy because we do
we sama na me bo tia kentene todwa o man sana me kono VAR ya abrofo yi referees manager Adema the Ghana Football Association the Ghana Football owa Alex Kote dia todwa say o hwani mo say VAR bi ba Ghana ka beboa nkiti pani fo hwe no mo
e ba in Ghana I see
you just onye hwini.
Oh,
sir. For our no cansempa, Nagidi.
Hey, what you catch him say, oh, man, the baby doing the butu.
So the VR is basically to bring some level of credibility into our game because all along, you know, we are talking about credibility, integrity, and that sort of thing. So when in a game, the referee knows that this game is live and there's a VR being used, even if you take a penalty, even if you take a goal, whatever decision you make on the field of play, it's being scrutinized by the VR. You understand? Because the VR watch every incident on the field of play. You understand? Okay, and so by doing that, credibility in our game would be very, very high. And when there's credibility, it means that there'll be more money because corporate bodies will now want to come and invest because they see some credibility now. You understand? Okay, and so for me, yes, the VR is quite expensive. It's an expensive venture, but we want to look at the bigger picture, you know, as to what it brings on to our league. If we are able to do that, and even in a week we use 2 games, there's VR. You understand? And and the decision is made by a referee, and then the VR intervenes, and the decision is turned. It will help all of us. You know, the media bashing would also be reduced.
Yes, my to help all of us. Eti say be aka 2 games be anya games thing na bia 1 game be per week na ka VR ni ginemu a Kenya ba de kra me kwara na Spanish Copa de semi final match ba ko ba so Barcelona ba Atletico ba 3 goals to no say pass no way since the first leg that Atletico born 4 it did not come back and and Atletico qualify for the next round of the competition. That is the final. Awaiting the net the Ebekoso Boba Moke Moni I heard you on the Beshia and now Brentford Nebban of 0-0 Everton Burnley by 2 goals to nil. Sunderland ball leads by a goal to nil and a Wolves upon Liverpool 2-1. Hey, a Strakubia conform the goose to have Papa will destroy everything. Will destroy everything to the course of no and the match is in Aston Villa and Chelsea, but Brighton and Arsenal, Fulham and West Ham United, Manchester City and Nottingham Forest, Newcastle and Manchester United, inform Manchester United. In the other game, La Liga Mora by Canon Real of Viado and the APM. So now, Copa del Rey semi-final Bacono, so Sada the Athletic Club of Bao, and there's Hamburger and Leverkusen also in the Bundesliga. Lazio Atalanta in the Coppa Italia semi-final. Now come on into the Zulu. About the second leg in the Baba. I was saying, and some other toss. Let's say fantastic in the Baba Quino. Not yet, April. Yano Kai and Nankasaka Kegyiwa. Eric Asiedu Boadi. Now, Shannon, so and you may get say now you're the sports page you at the Abba. Now on the 11th, that is Wednesday. On the 11th, the UCL fan games here, the Ebrel and I used to fun day the bell or Tia Vanna, the BIA Champions League final. No, I feed you, we could and a year launch our Girls Lounge and Restaurant, or Achimota. Yes, Achimota, 7th Street. It's a Girls Lounge and Restaurant. Asempe FM and Adom FM, UCL Fun Day launch.
All right.
They're launching the next week Wednesday. So I be able to make I will be up to that big day.
Okay.
There are empty nurse. It's okay. One up. Empty is
Property. Come on, some.
Yara Masiasa. What I can want to be. I know the Nankasa Kegyiwa Hawaii. Eric Asiedu Boadi.